everyone. Today is the 1st of August 2024. It is around 9:04 a.m. in the morning. All right, last night we have Fed rate decision, as we already know. And these guys are, basically they are just following, basically they are following the Fed Watch too. Basically, I somehow, since I haven't noticed on this Powell guy, right? There's no surprise at all. You always, they would, whatever the Fed Watch 2 says or whatever Fed Watch 2 predict, right? It will come true on. Okay, so you can see, okay, now the July, August is done, right? So it's going to be a rate decision on we have 3 more left: September, November, and December, right? So it's almost September is almost, I don't know, maybe I think when the time comes, I think it's going to be 90 or 100% ready. So it's they're gonna cut the rate, and this is they're gonna cut again most likely. All right, this a little bit stay far out, and on November and December, right? So so we still have a 3 potential rate cut for the rest of the year, right? And yeah, the September is almost a given ready. So this guy never really surprised anything. All right. So okay, so now back to the market perspective, right? I think, okay, market have already priced in this information. Yesterday there was a bit of confusing in the market because I think the market have already priced in, and the news is nothing really, nothing new, nothing really surprising. That's why the market is like, just like last night, like, oh, okay, that's it. Nothing really going on yesterday. All right. Nothing really going on after the news. Okay. So let's start with the individual pairs together. Okay. So let's start with the British pound as usual. Okay. The left, you know the drill, huh? The left is CFD. The right is our future. Okay. Okay. First of all, let's start with our retail number. Retails are -55. So they have been reducing from all the way from -65 to -55. So basically, they are becoming more and more balanced, right? They're becoming more and more balanced. So so it's like they were as the market go up higher, they were so bearish, right? So they were bearish because they were fighting against the market. And the market going down, also they are becoming bullish, and they are fighting against the market still. So from -65, they become -55. So that means market go down, they bullish; market go up, they bearish. You see, they always fight the market as far as the retail trader is concerned. So okay, so now it's -55. So from what I can see, okay, let's zoom in a bit up. You see, what they have been doing, they are just really just ranging out on this region. All right, so they have been overshadowed by Monday candle basically. So I think the market is going to be a little bit more try to break to the upside, in my opinion. All right, try to break to the upside, in my opinion. You can see they are really at this control region. They're coming near to the control region. Okay, from the perspective point of view, we have so-called like a tree profile for the months of this month, right? So we are coming near to the lower end already. So basically, they should be bouncing around this tool, in my opinion. All right, so I have a little bit of slightly bullishness going on here. I think they can go up to average of 1.29-ish level, in my opinion. All right, so I would say we have a slightly bullishness going on here. All right, so I will be slightly bullish on this. All right, so resistance is obviously 1.291. All right, and support is we try to see where the lower end. Lower end is this level, right? We have a nice swing level going on here. So our support should be somewhere lower than this, actually. All right, so we are talking about somewhere 1.277. Okay, so currently I'm slightly bullish on this. Just give me a minute now. We have more people joining in. Let me bring them over. Okay, so let's move on to Euro. Okay, today will be a bit, as usual, a bit a lengthy one. And of course, if you want to only know the summary, you can skip it to watch it the last 10 minutes of this video. All right, but of course that will be better if you stick around for sure. Okay, all right. Another one is Euro. Okay, Euro retail number is also +53, so they are pretty much similar. I'm seeing all over. The markets are really like all over. Okay, markets all over. Wow, we have a very strong volume yesterday. Was surprisingly there's really something's up on this. Let me see what is really going on. Okay, because there was a very big transition going on here. Okay, so we need to see on the 2 days candle. All right, so we need to see what really happening here. But anyway, the moment whenever you see volumes, what we need to know is, okay, this level is important now. All right, so see how the price behave after that level. So for example, like here you can see this level, right? For example, somewhere around here from 0.79 to 0.83, right? So this range is become important. and see where the market really bounced from there. I think most likely market will likely to bounce a little bit more to the upside in my opinion. So it's very similar to British pound that I have analyzed as well. So we are expecting market to go higher from here. All right, hang on. So let me draw this in. So this is a big volume, right? Right. So this is a big volume thing that is going on. Right? So we have a more and more volume coming in. Actually, we have another volume somewhere around here as well. All right, so I think there was be a very big issue coming in. All right, very big move coming in potentially, and I am expecting potentially to the upside. Okay, I repeat, I'm expecting potential to the upside, and just of course, I mean nothing is 100%, but we be careful on this boundary as well. So if let's say instead of going up, they start to easily broke below, then we will have a problem. Okay, then our assumption is no longer valid. Okay. So there's a leeway to it. So currently, I'm expecting we were likely to go up higher. All right. So, yep, bullish, gentlemen, or slightly bullish rather. Okay. So slightly bullish. Let me read it out. Yeah, I think it's going to go up higher already. All right. I think it's going to go up higher already. So stay on the buy side likely. All right. So where they will go to, they will go to the swing high, which is around 1.048 and above, and the support is for 1.079 below. All right, I repeat, it's better to be on the buy side likely. We are seeing we are seeing some more bullishness going on here. All right. So as a trader, our job is to wait, which is to judge or to guess, right? Where's the likelihood of us probability? So my probability is likely to going up higher, 1.084. All right, and resistance is 1.079. If you notice, this is also in line with our weekly, so-called the general weekly direction, right? We have been looking for it to be bullish actually. So I think it's going to come true really. All right, let's move on. Okay, Aussie gentlemen. Aussie. All right, Aussie gentlemen. Oh, nice stop hunt. Nice stop hunt. All right, nice stop hunt. I think market is going to go up higher already. Right, this is a very good stop hunt, gentlemen. This is a very good classic stop hunt. All right, you see such a long pin bar and stuff like that. I think we are going to have a bit of bullish case scenario coming up. Look at the retail number. Retail number also 86. So 86 to prove that, what does the 86 mean? Okay, just let me draw it out, then I will explain to you. It's mean, okay, yesterday they were, for the past few days, they have been really, the price is going down. And of course, as the price going down, we should be going into short, right? Into selling position, right? But instead, the retail guys, they long their position. Then they were long until they were almost like plus 84, right? Then they go down some more, they long some more. Then they have been holding this 89 for quite a while. Then yesterday they used, with this market big scoop, this 3% is already stopped out already. So that's the reason why from 89 to 86. So we are on the stop out of, I think they are rushed for the exit in my opinion. So by doing so, most likely the market is going to go up a lot higher. Okay. I think the market is going to go up a lot higher. So we have a very bullish case scenario coming up as well. Okay. So, well, let me see where I would say we have a more and more bullish case scenario coming out. This one should be somewhere here, right? So basically you can see all the big volumes are overlapping each other. So, the more they overlap, of course, that level become more and more powerful, right? So I will be very much interested in this guy now. I think market will likely to go up higher, gentlemen. I will go with the buy stop for this. This is my first recommendation for today. Okay. All right. So I think it will go with the buy stop. Use buy stop. Okay, you buy stop. I think maybe we are just like let the market swing up a little bit. Then I think it will go up from there. Okay, so I think it will likely go up really. Where they will go to? They will go to the candle of 24th of July. 24th of July is where this guy. So I think market will likely to go to 0.5 0.65658. All right, this will be my ultimate my take profit lah, put it this way. And of course I don't think market will go below this, but anyway, this is a support 0.648. Okay, I repeat that. So this will be the level, gentlemen. I think market will likely to go up higher. All right, New Zealand. All right, so New Zealand already start to show already. New Zealand is already so these guys are really on fire and going to go up already. All right, so you see this two is also our recommended pair for, KIB pair for this week. So, we are on the right side of the market. All right, we were expecting market will go up higher. Okay, let's see. Okay, New Zealand also I think is going to go up higher, similar. All right, New Zealand is going to go up higher. You can choose not to follow with the immediate term. All right. And you can even see this guy is even powerful, you know. Hang on, sorry, off topic a bit. You see, this guy is even more powerful. You see, they are from plus 83 and they are to become their plus 69 already. So they are a lot of a lot of sort of like short traders, a lot of small trader that shorting the market is already stopped out already. Okay. So I think market is going to go up higher. You can see the arrow here. What going to happen is I think the market will likely to drift higher to the upside. Maybe you can choose not to do the buy stop because I think we will wait for some pullback to, you know, come back in my opinion. So I think the good level should be somewhere around this region. Okay. I mean, we have to choose the where we want to buy from, but stay on the buy side at least. Okay. I think 0.59 region will be the better choice. Okay. Anyway, it's stay on the buy side. Okay. So this is my second recommended pair for today as well. All right, so choose either one. Choose either one. All right. Okay, resistance is 0.598. Support is 0.588. Another one is gold. Okay, gold is also going up. Okay, gold is going up. Hang on. Let me see. Gold yesterday. Gold as per our weekly plan is neutral or slightly bearish. I was expecting market to not to be so bullish, but okay, let's see. Yep, I am stay a bit neutral stay. All right, I thinking the market is not so strong in my opinion. We may see some pullback likely. All right, you can see my projection. So at least since the price is not really going in the direction that I really expected. All right, I'm expecting some further pullback lower first, right? Remember. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait. Okay, so maybe this week I don't trade. Or let's see how it's go. All right. So from what I'm seeing, there are some selling coming in as well. All right. So let's see how it's go. All right. So not really eager. So also I'll be just slightly bullish. All right. At least I will not short for sure as well. So resistance should be somewhere around here. We are actually already at the resistance. If you look at it closely. All right. To 2.45 and around this 2.45, 2.5 is a good resistance, and support is of course this levels. Support should be, let me see the support. Support should be around this level, which is around 2.421. All right, resistance 2.45, support 2.421. Okay, silver, gentlemen. Silver, let's see. Okay, silver also pretty strong bullish going on. You can see the control is on the a bit of on the top end. I think market will likely to drift higher to this level first. So definitely selling is not really that advisory. All right. So let's see. So this is slightly bullish as well, right? I think it can goes to this swing level, right? Likely. So 29.4, 29.5. Okay. And support is this swing, this congested level, $28. Okay. So everything against US dollar is more or less bullish. So overall, I mean, in general, this is what we were expecting last Sunday. All right, so it's coming through. So let's talk about US dollar Canadian. All right, US dollar Canadian, we have a very nice to the drop yesterday. You can see that the retail guys are really extreme. That's why it's very, very nice. You see, it was like minus 90. So it's like it gives you a warning, really, please be careful. You know, this is something that you need to be careful. You see, is that not to be true? Market really, really come back down. Right? So we have what we call it, we have a position on them, right? So we are in the, I think it's in the minor profit right now. So let's see how much we can write it down. Okay, let's see how much we can write down. I think market is going to go a lot lower. All right, so that means Canadian is going to go a lot higher. All right, so to me this is a very good to me this is a very good, what we call it, to me this is a very good stop hunting, right? So we have already hunted stop ready, so likely market will really rebound back to this congested level. So we are talking about this kind of zone. So we are currently 1.382. So I'm talking about, if let's say it's work everything out, it can go down plus 200 points. I mean, one position 200 points. If you stack properly, in example, you got 10 position with the average of let's say 100 point, right? You can easily get 1,000 point already. So this is the direction that I think we're likely to go. I will slowly start to add position on the sell side already. All right. So I think this market is going to go lower. So this will be my KIB for today. Since we already have position, I'm not going to add yet, right? Let market play out a little bit more. So this will be my KIB on the downside. Okay. So it's a bearish or slightly bearish. We need this to be cleared. All right. We need we need this yesterday the high in this guy Canadian dollars, mean yesterday low in the US dollar Canadian. I mean, we need to break this 1.378. So 1.378. need breakout. Okay, so this one we need to see again. Okay, then this is a support and this is a resistance. So 1.384. Okay, so anyway, I think this market is going to go lower rate. Okay. All right. US dollar CHF. Oh, US dollar CHF is a bit tricky. US dollar CHF having, okay, let's see. US dollar CHF, I think as the US dollar start to go weaker, I think the market will go lower. All right. So fortunately, market is going to go lower on this guy. Okay. So that means the Swiss franc, let's see, Swiss franc, what the market is doing. See on this. Swiss franc is getting more and more bullish, causing this guy to go and getting more and more bearish on them. I think it's bearish, put it this way. All right, going lower. Another one is US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY is also going to go lower. All right, so everything with US dollar is weaker, put it this way. All right, so this is also what we expected to happen. I think the market is going to go a lot lower. Retail guys are only plus 50 only, so I think market have a lot of room for them to fall lower, in my opinion. All right, so yep, it's also my recommended pair for today. I think the market will likely to go a lot lower as well. Okay, so it's bearish, gentlemen. Okay, all right, another one is US market. US market, you can see yesterday I mentioned that this is a likely case scenario of the here. Okay, you just need to be more watch out a little bit. You see, they have gone to retest very high level. They have gone to retest very high level, and of course, they've been pulled back down from there. I'm seeing some selling coming back in this region. So I think we need to be careful. Unless this level broke out again, then we should long, actually. Okay, so I will be neutral rather. All right, the price action stay quite bullish, so I will be neutral. So I'll be watching it very closely. We might have a 10 back to the downside soon, gentlemen. So just be careful a little bit. And keep in mind, yesterday the decision is nothing surprising, guys. So put it this way, this whole move up, all those things actually is already priced in already. So since already, this already priced in already, then the news is confirming. So I think the market might be, market might be pulled back lower. Just be careful on this guy, okay? And of course, we will be in the phase 3. All right, we are in the phase 3. You know what phase 3 mean, once the moment they cut the rate. So I mean the phase 3 is going to start in September, put it this way. Okay, so I think it's neutral with the right words here. Let the market unfold first. Okay, another one is our favorite, Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong, we have a long position on this. Yep, long live the Hong Kong is going to go up, gentlemen. It's going to go up, and let's try to make money a lot from it. Okay, so yep, Hong Kong is bullish as well. So this will be my recommended pair today as well. So it's happy for us lah. We have a position on this. I think market will likely to go up higher. I think it will likely to go to here, this region of here, which is around 17.6k. All right, then the support is around 16.9k. So I repeat, resistance is 17.6k, support is 16.9. I think the market will likely to go a lot higher, gentlemen. Okay, another one is DEX. Okay, DEX is also very similar to Dow Jones, I suppose. Let me see. Dow Jones, they are not really in a good shape. Okay, yesterday we have a bullish push up, but they got retraced. So that means there's some selling coming back in as well. Yep, it is true. DEX also very similar to Dow Jones, right? I am seeing some topping out potential play going on here. Don't long on them, gentlemen. I think going to go lower in my opinion. All right. So anyway, this arrow projection already come through already. You see? See, so I'm going to take it out already. Okay. So I think we may have a rollover soon. So same thing, DEX neutral, gentlemen. Don't go and long. Okay. Another one is WTI, crude oil. Okay. So crude oil also pretty much like what we expected. The market is really bouncing up. Okay. So I think if in that case, I think all the commodity will be the same as well. Yep, crude oil is very, 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 very bullish. Okay, so I think market is going to go up a lot higher as well. Of course, you can choose to buy stop or buy them. Come on, I mean, we already have a difficulty deciding market is going up or going down. You got what I mean? Then people say, should I buy stop, buy limit? I mean, that's a bit of like trivial thing, really, right? I mean, the best is of course just buy lah, right? Buy stop, buy limit is just to try to have a bit more favor, so-called calculated favor on our side. Okay, so I think in this case, I think this is a very good support, which is around $78 region. All right, so as long as this $78 is not really broken down again, I think market is going to go a lot higher. What is the next congested level? Congested level is here, $82 level. So crude oil is also my recommended pair for today. Buy stop, buy limit, just buy, up to you. All right. But this one we can, if I take any position, I will let you know my choice lah. But stay on the buy side. Okay. All right. Another one is all this sweet corn. I think they will start to become bullish as well. Okay, let's take a look. Nice. They are starting to see some, bottoming already. We have been really patiently monitoring every day for a while now. All these three fellas. You can see the controls are really on the lower end as well. So not bad. All right, start to see some bullish case scenario. Start to see some bullish case scenario. Yep, start to see some bullish case scenario. Just so what we can do is we can buy in small, then let the market develop. Okay, so I would say it's slightly bullish, gentlemen. Okay, where they can go to, let me see. Yep, it is bullish, gentlemen. I think that the nearest resistance should be somewhere around here, 533 region. The moment they break out, I think it's going to uptrend really. So talk about the probability is very high to be on the upside then going down. Okay, I repeat that, gentlemen. Okay, so how happened to this guy? This guy is still quite weak overall. And this guy is, I will need definitely one more day to confirm. Look at the yesterday candle, kind of like just an indecisive candle only, almost a doji candle. So if you want to long, you need at least price session one more day. Okay, don't long, gentlemen. Okay, so my thinking is just neutral, guys. This guy. Okay, another one is con. We are almost coming to an end now. Then we will do the summary. Then we can see which one we can take action on. Just choose this one. Also quite similar. Let's take a look. Steady price is strong to the downside. Okay, yeah, stay much on the sell going on here. This one also same thing. Markets kind of stay all over. Stay quite weak. We don't long at all unless the market manage to break above minimum 3.8 region. So not really bullish, gentlemen, on this guy. So in overall, all these three, only wheat is not bad. Okay, soybean and corn are stay either neutral or slightly bearish. So just to conclude, I will stay out from all three of them for now. Okay, all right. Okay, just to let you guys know what whole this thing have been telling us something. We look into perspective. Okay, so you see the market, you see the whole thing is going down, right? And since 2023, 2022. So it is to kind of to give us a clue that I think we may have some deflationary pressure coming in. Okay, deflationary pressure. Okay, deflationary pressure sounds a bit cheap. Talk about in terms of the market term, is the market economy is slowing down. Okay, simple. Market economy is slowing down. Gold is not exactly commodity. Please understand on that one, because gold can be used as a hedge against bad economy or crisis. That's why gold is going up while all these commodities are going down, because these commodities are plain plainly reflective to the economic status. All these guys are going down, mean we are seeing the slowdown in consumption, right? I mean, of course, the corn is in terms of food, right? You can see copper, right? Like all these building material, all these guys are going down, mean like the market is pricing in for the economic slowdown. Okay, I think it's coming. I think the whole rolling over will start to come in on Q4 already, because Q4 this is where they're gonna start cut rate, right? So cutting the rate is not really bullish. I repeat, cutting the rate is actually is like a chicken and egg story. They can roll into the motion that cause the market to go lower. Okay, cutting the rate, when everything we do, sometimes we have an immediate reaction and the immediate effect, and another one is the actual effect. Sometimes these two may not be the same. Sometimes these two are the same for sure, right? So because certain things, when we have a complex ecosystem like economy, everything we're not you cannot feel everything immediately. Like for example, like I said, cutting the rate, actually people think, the market is going to go up a lot higher immediately. Yes, but normally the crisis happen as they cut the rate. The market will start to only recover when the cut rating is, so-called cutting of the rate is done. Okay, all right. So when the rate becomes zero or very almost at the bottom one, this is the market bottom. Okay, so the cutting the rate process is actually bearish in a way. Okay, so yeah, it's coming, guys. I think 2025 is going to be a bearish year, right? May not be whole year. Maybe they'll start from second part of 2015, but there will be a very big crash on 2025. Okay. All right. Bitcoin, I mentioned 70K is important resistance. So basically, what it does is that they are just because of the the ceiling is too strong, so they're just pulling right back lower and lower. So I think the market will likely to drift a little bit lower first. Okay, I think I have to a little bit carry it lower here. I think maybe market will likely to go here first, in my opinion. Of course, slightly bearish. Just follow along with the market first. Okay, so let's see how it's go. Okay, don't long crypto for now. I think we have a good time later. All right, so let's see how it's go. Another way is next guess. Our weekly plan on crypto is also saying that not adding long. It's already, you can go back and read our market composition. So there's some warning there already. So well, so we just don't long put it this way. So crypto, I'm not really adding any new position. Okay, this guy, next guess. Oh, next guess. We are being tricked yesterday, right? You are expecting market will go up higher. Just hang on. Let's see what happened. Okay. There was a bit of warning though, right? There was a strong control on the top end that will make this bullish candle on 30th of July is not really a strong bullish candle. Strong candle, but not entirely. I mean, strong but not very strong. Okay, and look at the yesterday candle, also consider a little bit of weak candle but not so weak candle because the control is in the lower end as well. So how we need to do is, I am expecting some bullish movement today. Okay, of course I cannot see the future, but this is likely to happen. We check whether the market go back above 2.1 or not. Okay, so I'm neutral. I'm not shorting for sure. Okay, I will not fall for it. Wait until 2.1 breakout first. Okay, so this is 2.1 is important. All right, I think it will happen. So today also KIV, just wait it out for a day. All right, so let's continue with a little bit more. We have a Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I think it's interesting. Okay. Nasdaq, I was expecting market to go up a little bit higher. We have some pending position, but let's see first. Okay, so right now it is obviously bullish. All right, let's see. The yesterday one is really bullish. Okay. I think the market stay pretty strong on the overall strong. Try not to sell now yet. I think they let the market go up higher to show some kind of weakness first. So I think the market will likely to go 19.7, this kind of stuff. Okay, so let the market go a bit higher to retest this bounce. You see, this is a gap down, right? So I think market will kind of do the gap covering, something like that. So slightly bullish on Nasdaq. I think it will go up to 19.8 region. Okay, so very similar like Dow Jones. Be cautious. Okay, be cautious, slightly bullish on them as well. Okay, so let's have a quick recap, gentlemen. Okay, let's have a quick recap. I have a few recommendations. I have one Aussie long, two New Zealand long. Okay, we have two ready. See, yeah, I have three WTI long, crude oil long. Yep. So we have three recommendations. First is Aussie long, New Zealand long, and then crude oil long. We have three recommendations. And let's see on KIV, how many KIV I have. I recall I have one, I suppose. Hang on. Oh, okay. I have one KIV, which is the US dollar Canadian short. So just to conclude, we have three recommendations: Aussie long, New Zealand long. Don't trade both, choose one. Aussie long, New Zealand long. Another one is crude oil long to the upside. So we got three recommendations, and one KIV is US dollar Canadian on the sell side. US dollar Canadian, we need to watch on, let the market break below 1.378 first. Okay, so are we clear on this, gentlemen? Hang on.